This video presents the preparation of 10x tris borate electrophoresis buffer within the virtual environment of Onlabs application using the instruction mode. Select your language. Click on the first button to select the instruction mode. Click on the second button to enter the instruction mode of the application's virtual environment. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the experiment.
Welcome to Onlabs, a virtual reality laboratory which allows students to practice on making 500 ml of a 10 times TBE solution. Let's get started.
You can always get an advisory tip by left-clicking the tips icon that is placed in the toolbar.
Press the on-off button on the left side of the scale panel. Turn on the electronic scale. Well done. Place a piece of aluminum foil on the weighing platform of the electronic scale. Well done. Reset the zero of the scale display. Well done. By pressing the tare button, the electronic scale will display only the weight of the powders placed on the aluminum foil. Remove the cap of the boric acid bottle. Well done. By using the spoon on the bench, transfer 17.4 grams of boric acid onto the aluminum foil. Well done. You've just weighed 17.4 grams of boric acid. Place the cap back on the boric acid bottle. Well done. Now pour the 17.4 grams of boric acid into the Erlenmeyer flask, which contains 450 ml of double distilled water. Well done. You've just added 17.4 grams of boric acid in 450 ml of double distilled water. You now need to repeat the weighing procedure for 54 grams of trisma base. Start by placing a piece of aluminum foil on the weighing platform. Well done. The tare button was pressed before, so the electronic scale is ready for use. Remove the cap of the trisma base bottle. Well done. By using the spoon on the bench, transfer 54 grams of trisma base onto the aluminum foil. Well done. You've just weighed 54 grams of trisma base. Place the cap back on the trisma base bottle. Well done. Now pour the 54 grams of trisma base into the Erlenmeyer flask. Well done. You've just added 54 grams of trisma base in 450 ml of double distilled water, which also contains 17.4 grams of boric acid. Turn off the electronic scale. Well done. Now it's time for the magnetic stirring. Put the magnetic stir bar on the Erlenmeyer flask. Well done. Now place the Erlenmeyer flask on the magnetic stirrer. Well done. We are now ready to stir the solution. Turn on the magnetic stirrer. Well done. Turn the RPM knob of the magnetic stirrer to 7 RPM. Well done. The magnetic stirring is set. It takes 2 minutes for this particular stirring to be complete. Wait for the magnetic stirring process to be over. Well done. The magnetic stirring is completed as the solid substances have been fully dissolved. Turn the RPM knob of the magnetic stirrer into its original position, that is 0 RPM. Well done. Turn off the magnetic stirrer. Well done. Put the Erlenmeyer flask back on the bench. Well done. Remove the magnetic stir bar from the Erlenmeyer flask with the use of the magnetic stick. Well done. It's now time to add 20 ml of EDTA 0.5 m pH8 solution into the Erlenmeyer flask. Open the EDTA bottle by removing its cap. Well done. Now put the electronic pipette in the EDTA bottle. Well done. Use the electronic pipette to draw 20 ml of EDTA solution from the bottle. Well done. You've drawn 20 ml of EDTA solution into the pipette. Remove the electronic pipette from the EDTA bottle. Well done. Place the cap back on the EDTA bottle. Well done. Now put the electronic pipette in the Erlenmeyer flask. Well done. Pour the 20 ml of EDTA from the electronic pipette into the Erlenmeyer flask. Well done. You've poured 20 ml of EDTA solution into the existing solution of the Erlenmeyer flask. Remove the electronic pipette from the Erlenmeyer flask. Well done. It's now time to add 30 ml of double distilled water into the Erlenmeyer flask. Open the water bottle by removing its cap. Well done. Now put the electronic pipette in the water bottle. Well done. You've drawn 30 ml of double distilled water into the pipette. Remove the electronic pipette from the double distilled water bottle. Well done. Close the cap of the double distilled water bottle. Well done. Now put the electronic pipette in the Erlenmeyer flask. Well done. Pour the 30 ml of water from the electronic pipette into the Erlenmeyer flask. Well done. You've poured 30 ml of water into the existing solution of the Erlenmeyer flask. Remove the electronic pipette from the Erlenmeyer flask. Congratulations! The Erlenmeyer flask contains 500 ml of 10 times TBE solution.